You've probably seen those fun AI-generated kissing videos online, where two photos come to life and kiss each other. Whether it's people kissing their favorite celebrities, reuniting virtually with a loved one, or simply experimenting with creative AI trends, today I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating your own AI kissing video using a photo AI video generator. First, head over to Supawork and sign up for an account. I'll drop the link in the description below. Once you're in, navigate to the AI kissing video. Follow these simple steps to generate your AI kissing video. Click to upload your photo, a celebrity or another person you want to feature in the kissing video. After selecting your images and style, hit the Generate button. In just a minute, your AI kissing video will be ready to view and download. If you're working with a group photo, don't worry. You can still create a fantastic AI kissing video. Follow these steps. Upload your group photo. Choose a kiss scene or customize your own prompt that matches your vision. Click Generate and watch as the AI creates an engaging animated kissing scene. And that's all for this AI kissing video tutorial. With just a few clicks, you can bring photos to life and create an engaging, shareable video. Try it out and have fun experimenting with different images. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI video tips and tricks. Happy creating!